Hello. Okay. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day in the life vlog. We are getting ready to go away this weekend for Mother's Day, so I've got a few things around the house that I need to do, and you guys know that if I am filming, it holds me accountable. So we are going to have a bit of a snuggle with the dogs first and foremost, because that is the most important thing, and then it's time to get up and get ready for the day and get tidying this house. So that is the plan. I'm also filming on my new camera, which is so exciting. Evan got me a brand new camera for my birthday and it's amazing, revolutionary, so excited. It's so good, it's beautiful. It will probably take me a while to figure out the settings and all that sort of stuff, so bear with me, but hopefully it's a lot better quality for you guys, so we will see. You want a cuddle? Come here. Hello. You can't sit on your sister. Boop. Alright, let's make a game plan for today, shall we? Alright, I have my game plan for the day. As much as I would love to stay laying here. Oh, look how cute this photo is of these guys. Adorable. You can't really see it very well. I'll screenshot it for you. Anyway, I really need to get up and get ready for the day. Magpies are outside waiting for me to feed them, so I better do that. You watching the magpies? Yeah, you watching them? You're not, you're just relaxing. Can you go back to relaxing? No? Alright, let's get up. Let's get up. Alright, so all ready, dressed, showered, clean. I'm going to tackle all the tidying first, because if I just get that done really quick, then I can really focus on editing and filming the few little bits for the video that I need to edit today, so I can get it up today as well, because it's a Mother's Day gift guide and Mother's Day is tomorrow, so I need to get that up. Anyway, I don't even know what I was saying anymore, but game plan for today is tidy, edit, get the video up, and then we are heading to Ballarat to celebrate Mother's Day with my family, and then we're seeing Evan's mum tomorrow as well on our way home, but the doggos need to get a bit of energy out before they are in the car for a little while later on. These dogs do not want to go inside. Oh, maybe they do. Alright, let's go inside. Come on, in we go. Oh my goodness! I was not expecting this to arrive today. it is here. As you guys can tell, the dogs don't like visitors. Well, no, that's a lie. They love visitors. They do not like when cars drive in the driveway. That's what they don't like. Ah, I'm so excited for this. Oh my God, it's beautiful. You wanna check it? Kai has to sniff check everything. It passes his test. Oh my goodness. Guys! Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so soft. Oh my God, it's so cute. We wanted to get your new scrumptious and utterly buttery item to you as fast as possible, so our cuddle consultants have vacuum sealed in the coziness and sent it into a deep sleep. To wake up your new item and bring it back to its fluffiest and puffiest, we recommend washing it as per the care instructions. That is adorable. That is such a cute way to say, wash this before you wear it. We've recently removed our mesh woven bag to reduce landfill and keep the otters smiling. Visit our website to discover more about what we're doing to reduce our footprint. Oh my God, that's adorable. I love the otter one. Have you guys, they have so many cute ones. So, oh, it's so cozy. The dogs are not vibing with how excited I am. They think something's going on. This is great because my Harry Potter hoodie, which you saw me wearing this morning, is really in need for a wash. So now I have two. I never ever wash mine. So gross, so incredibly gross. I very rarely wash my hoodie. I should wash it a lot more than I do, but now I have two, so I can have one in the wash and one clean, ready to go one. Ugh, I'm so excited. I have been eyeing this hoodie off for so long. This is the plants one. It's called like I Love Plants, I think. But oh my God, it's so cute. It's got like the progress from day 1 to like day 50. Oh, so cute. Covered in plants. It's green. It is so, oh my God, they're so cozy and soft. I just love them. What does this tag say? I'm just reading everything for you. Super soft, we all know that. Cruelty free, I knew that. 10% longer than competitors. Yes. Oh, they're so good. Okay, I'm putting it on. Ooh, I put it on the chair. Whoops. Ah, so good. Oh, I literally just love everything about hoodies. There is nothing that you can fault them on. They are perfect. The pocket is huge. I can literally carry my laptop in this pocket. So a lot of the time I take my laptop out into the shed to edit with Evan, and so I will fill my hoodie pocket with my laptop, the charger, my hard drive, my laptop stand, my headphones, like all of my things, and I'm just like waltzing around with my entire life in this pocket. It is so big, it's amazing, and I adore the sleeves. You guys know how I am about sleeves. If they're too short, hate it. But these are cuffed, so you can pull them down and just be perfectly snuggly, or you can have your hands free. And I love that so much about hoodies. Look at me. I'm in my plant jungle, in my plant hoodie. This is amazing. Thank you so much to Oodie for sending this to me. This is literally like a dream come true. So they did send this to me. I got to pick out which one I wanted. They have given me a discount code for you guys, which is JessiePrue35. I will put it on the screen. That will get you $35 off your order, which is fantastic. And you can be super cozy and comfy too. And we can be matching. You could get a plant one. I also want, there's a quokka one and the otter one. I love the otter one, and there is another one that I really want to, but I can't remember what it is. There's like 4 that I want, which is ridiculous. Like, does anyone need that many hoodies? Yes, probably. Yes, we do. This is also perfect timing because we are trying really hard to not use our central heating because them gas bills, they be high. And it's rough out here. So now I'm cozy and warm, and I won't have to use the heating as much because Evan's fine. Evan runs hot, so he doesn't need the heater. I am like a reptile. I am so cold, I need the heat to soak me in. What am I even talking about? Anyway, I don't even know what I'm on about. But now I'm gonna be super cozy and warm, and Evan has occasionally been working away from home a little bit now, so I can wear this to bed instead of pumping the heater while he's gone. So I can guarantee you, Oodie, that Evan also thanks you for sending me this. Okay, that is definitely enough rambling. I really, really need to keep going. This was an amazing surprise, but I have stuff to do. So we need to vacuum still. I've done all my tidying, and then I need to do a whole bunch of editing and some filming. So I'm probably gonna wear this to film in now because you guys know I've been enjoying my cozy vibe filming setup lately. So perfect timing. Alrighty, I have edited as much of that as I can before I need to go and film. So I'm just checking back in with my to-do list to try and keep myself on track. I have done all the tidying and stuff. I've packed our bags. I do need to still grab the dog's stuff, but that's really easy. I just need to get their food and their bowls and their leash, which is, I can do that in 3 seconds. So that is super easy. I might literally do that right now. And then I'm just gonna tick it off in advance because I can. All I need to do is film a little bit more for this video, finish up this vlog, and then I am done with this list, which is great because Evan is due home in about half an hour. So we will then head off after that. So going well, holding ourselves accountable, getting stuff done, killing it. Woo. I did realize that I won't be able to film in my hoodie, and I'm really, really procrastinating having to take it off because I'm very, very warm right now. Mother's Day video is gonna go live before this one does, so that order doesn't work. I need to get changed, which is a bummer. I need to put my skates on so that I can film the last bit for this video so that I can get this video out for you guys, because I'm pretty sure I already said, but tomorrow is Mother's Day, so this needs to go out as soon as I can possibly get it out, but it's not a very long one, which is good. So I shouldn't have too much difficulty, but I do need to get my butt moving. So let's do it. We had a friend join us. She tried to steal my seat while I went to get a drink. And now you're just here, you're part of it now. Highly recommend if your mum is a cat person. Get her a cat. Can't go wrong. Although, disclaimer, please don't buy animals as pets unless they are going to be in your home forever. What are you focusing on? Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you have not noticed, it's been a long time since I actually filmed this video, so I am re-recording the outro because it's just been so incredibly long. Obviously, if you did not pick up on the little clips that I edited at the start. I also mentioned Mother's Day. Mother's Day was a while ago now. As you can see, I am still obsessed with the hoodie. It is substantially dirtier now, mainly because I am currently recovering from surgery and I have been living in this thing. It has been phenomenal. So yet another bonus of hoodies is they are real comfy to recover from big life events in, whatever that may be. There will be a video updating you on everything and the process of the surgery I went through, all that kind of stuff. That will be coming. But for now, we are at the end of this one. So if you would like to see that, catch up on what's been going on, I've got a few hauls coming up and I've got a few makeovers coming up, going back to my roots of the channel. So if you'd like to see them, please subscribe, leave a comment with things that you would like to see down below. Just leave a comment to chat if you want. I've missed you guys. It's been a long time and it's been a rough year, but we're getting to the good parts of it now. So that is a bonus. Don't forget to check out Oodies if you are interested. If you need another one, I can highly recommend having multiples because I am loving the fact that I never have to go without now because when the Harry Potter one is in the wash, I can wear the plants and vice versa. So highly recommend. So if you do want to get yourself $35 off, don't forget to use that code, and I have them linked and everything down below. So thank you again to Oodie for sending this to me and also for making my recovery a little bit better. That is very much appreciated. And also a huge thank you to the team at Oodie as well, because this video was obviously meant to be sent to them quite a while ago and they have been incredibly understanding with what I've been going through. So huge thank you to you guys for that as well. Kai's popped in to say thank you as well. What would you like to say? All right, well, they've swapped out and neither of them have anything to say, so I will leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. If you would like to, clicking that link to visit Oodie would really help me out. I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys. That was a chaotic outro, wasn't it?